YouTuber.
Okay, so today I'm going to show you the difference from upgrading from Oppo F1S 5.1 Lollipop to Oppo F1S 6.0 Marshmallow. So this version that I'm handling now is already updated. It's Oppo F1S 6.1 or Marshmallow. So let's check about phone. Then we have here Android version is 6.0. But the original version of this one is 5.1, which is the Lollipop. Okay, so I'm going to tour you. I'm going to show what are the differences. So number one, difference is, let's try to move this icon. This one here, it can't move. It was fixed. I can say it's one of its disadvantage. Like this, can't be moved. Like that. You can customize. But the changes here is this. Instead of vertical slide, it's a horizontal slide like that. It's like an iPhone. So that's the second changes. Then from here, home screen, you can search apps or whatever by sliding from up to down like that. So that uh, you can search everything from your phone. So let's try Oppo right there. So that's one of its changes. Another is the camera. Let's check. Right, it's the camera. Here, a little changes there. That and there. The back view. Okay, so that's another changes. Or there's something. Okay, so let's try this. The new here is when I delete this one picture, delete that one. There is a recycle bin here. See here. It's a recycle bin there. It will be stored for 30 days before it will be removed, or you can remove it permanently. Another changes is this, the icon here below, the icon there, and the edit. There's something changes there. That okay, and let's go to setting. Changes here was System updates about this one, sound and vibrate. You have a two volume here. Then the direct sound is, for now, it was called real sound technology. Yeah. I think that's all. And this one, the calendar was changed to Google Calendar. This one. So the original calendar was removed. So it's on the calendar.